Hi students, let us continue with the integration testing. So in the previous videos, I explained about the remaining two approaches, that is the Big Bang approaches and the top-down approach. Now let us see the bottom-up approach. So what is this bottom-up approach? The bottom-up approach here, the testing takes place from bottom to up. Bottom to up. The lowest level modules are tested first. So in the top down, the highest two level modules are tested first. But here in the bottom up approach, first the low level modules are tested first, and then high level module, and finally integrate the high level module. First test these two, after that test this, and finally integrated the high level module to low level to ensure the system is working or not. Just the reverse to the top down. So here in the top down approach we use the concept stubs, but in bottom up approach we use the concept drivers. If you want to go up from bottom to up, you use the concept drivers. So don't be confused. Both are the act as a temporary module only. They are the dummy pages only. But if you are using the top-down approach, you have to use the stub, because stub is a called program, and whereas a driver is a calling program. Okay, the driver is a calling program. Driver is a calling program, whereas stub is a called program. So that's why this is bottom up and it is top down. Okay, so here in the bottom approach uses the drivers are used as a temporary modules for integration testing. Let me explain with an example. So here first it is following the bottom up approach. So in the bottom up approach, first you have to test the lower levels. The lower levels has to be tested and you have to be integrated, and again you test on this higher level. So this complete system you call it as one cluster. Okay, this cluster will be replaced with this here in the drivers. So here drivers are replaced one at a time. So the drivers are replaced one at a time. The worker modules are grouped into clusters and integrated. So let me explain with another example. So whatever the example I had taken in the bottom up top down approach. So in the bottom up approach also I am taking, suppose this is a login page and this is the admin page. So there I just called the stub, means the calling, that is the calling program admin page. Now you here we will take the reverse condition. Let us take the login page is not ready. Okay, the admin is ready. The admin is ready for test. Ready for testing. So admin page is over and it is ready for testing. But login is under construction. Under development. So whenever the admin wants to calling the login page, means admin is calling the login page, but it is under development, so it will be replaced with a dummy page. The dummy page you call it as a driver login page. So this is dummy page. So whenever the login is ready for testing, then this dummy page will be replaced with the exact login page. So that is a concept. That is the concept of the driver. So the driver will be used in the bottom up approach and the stub will be used in top down approach. So here the calling, if a calling program, so this is admin and here this is a calling program. The driver is a calling program. If the calling program is incomplete, so this is a login. If the calling program is incomplete, it is replaced with a driver. This is a bottom up approach. And another sandwich testing will be there. That sandwich testing is nothing but it is combining the two approaches, that is the top down and the bottom up. The sandwich testing is combining the approaches of both top down and bottom up. How it is doing? The top down strategy for only for upper levels. So upper levels it is using the top down approach. For upper levels, it uses the top-down approach. And for bottom strategy, and this is bottom up approach. So the combination of two approaches is the sandwich testing. So these, the top modules are tested with stubs and the bottom will be tested with the drivers. So after testing with the drivers, it will be making as a cluster, and this cluster will be replaced here, and these top modules are tested with the stubs until this will be ready. After this is ready for testing, then it will be integrated with this F and G. Okay, so this is about the sandwich testing. Thank you.